Welcome back, coders! It is the second part of the HTML course. As you can see, I already have something prepared for you because I could type it all out. I really could. But I think it's easier for you to register what this thing does first before we start typing it, and then having you go over this course and typing it yourself while testing it in your own document so you can personalize it. It'll be a good exercise. So while I'm typing in the title, I almost said tittle. Well, I said tittle now. Too late. No take backsies. Let's see. This is called the yelling room. Hello, welcome to the yelling room. This is for you to see. See this big text? Remember our H1 in the last course? Well, that's how big it gets. And then there's H3, it's a bit smaller. And we could do H5, but it just gets smaller. There's a certain point, I believe H5 and H6 would be the smallest, and then at H7, H8, it just doesn't register as anything except for the same as a paragraph size. So it's pretty useless to go past that. And paragraph, here's some text. Let's teach you how to break that down into separate line. So as you can see in my code, I wrote here's some text, then spaced it, save it, nothing changes. In fact, it seems that even if I space it a little like this, it appears on the same line. It's easier for some people to see long lines of code in broken up pieces, but they don't want it on the page. To learn how to do that, let's read the next one. If you want to break it into the next line or break it down downstairs, I use the BR tags. You don't need to close these tags. These are just self-closing tags. They will move it down to the next line. If you want space in between that, you just copy it, take it down. Ta-da! You have one space. Or you can put it in another paragraph tag. Easy, done. So do you want to do an exercise now? I'm going to have you pause here. And once you're done testing it out, we're going into the next phase. Okay. The next phase. Fan favorites, really. The banana cactus page. Hooray! We're going to talk about links and images. As you can see, I have an href. You don't see it because I haven't written anything in it, so it's not visual. Click me. Let's put it on a separate thing so we're on different lines. I want to actually not see it next to that. Make it a bigger space. Okay, done and done. So, these will just redirect whatever you put in here. You put the link in an A space href equals double quotes. You put the link in the double quotes, you close that, write whatever you want, and then close that link tag. And this is where it leads. The banana cactus page. Then you go, if you want to show the image on the page, you do img source src equals double quotes image link. And the alt tag is just in case the image doesn't load on your page. This will show this text just so people know what they're missing. And this is a button. You make a button. Meep meep. But it doesn't lead anywhere. We can change that in another video. We'll go over this one in the next video. I don't think we have time. See you in the next course.